Marigolds are one of the most rewarding annuals you can grow. They are low maintenance, fast growing, repel pests, and they will provide you with bright, lovely continuous color until the fall frost. Members of the genus Tagetes have attractive yellow, orange, or red flowers that are solitary or clustered. Blooms naturally occur in golden, orange, and yellow colors, often with maroon highlights. Floral heads are typically from 4 to 6 centimeters in diameter, generally with both ray florets and disc florets. Each flower consists of large number of petals that overlap. Biggest petals are located on the periphery and smallest in the center of a flower. Native to sunny and warm climates, marigolds prefer brightly sunny areas with moderately rich soil. In order for your marigolds to be ready for planting outdoors in the spring, you will need to start growing marigolds from seed indoors about 50 to 60 days before the last frost date. Before growing marigolds, decide which type you want to grow. Marigolds come in a wide range of sizes, from miniatures to giant varieties that can grow up to 4 feet tall. Select the color and size that is perfect for your flower garden. Marigolds can be started indoors to be ready to transplant into the ground or larger pots when weather permits, or the seed can be sown directly into the soil after all danger of frost is past. With their golden flowers and ferny foliage, marigolds add long-lasting color and texture to any garden borders and beds. Ideal as a companion plant, the marigold often is planted as a border or buffer around a garden, since the pungent scent is so offensive to pests. The roots of marigold produce secretions that contain flavonoids, amines, amides, phenols and ketones that have insecticidal and nematicidal effects. Many varieties of marigolds can help repel root knot nematodes, microscopic worms that live in the soil and can damage vegetable and fruit plants. Marigolds do not need regular watering but require so during the dry spells. Water your marigolds at the bottom, not from the top. Pouring water over the marigold blossoms and leaves may damage or even rot them. Instead, use a watering can to water your flowers at the base of the plants. It is better to water marigolds during the early morning hours so that there is sufficient time for the water on the foliage to dry up. Marigolds do not require fertilizers if the soil is rich in organic material. For poor soils, you can add a slow-acting, granular fertilizer about 1 teaspoon per plant, but be careful not to add an excess of fertilizers which may result in an increased growth of foliage instead of flowers. Marigolds has edible flowers. They are often used as an ingredient of salads and for decoration of desserts. Medical studies showed that marigolds contain substances with antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. This aromatic plant has a distinct spicy aroma and adds a splash of color all summer long to your garden, so give your garden and outdoor living spaces a shot of steady, season-long color by planting marigolds. Happy gardening!